Setting up Bill.com involves several steps to ensure smooth integration and efficient accounts payable and receivable management. Here's a concise guide. Sign up. Visit the Bill.com website and sign up for an account. Provide your company information and banking details during the registration process. Account configuration. After signing up, configure your Bill.com account settings. This includes setting up your company profile, adding users, and defining roles and permissions. Sync accounting software. Integrate Bill.com with your accounting software, such as QuickBooks Online or Xero. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection and synchronize your chart of accounts, vendors, customers, and items. Add vendors and customers. Enter vendor and customer information into Bill.com, including contact details and payment preferences. Upload documents. Upload any existing bills, invoices, or other relevant documents to Bill.com for centralized document management. Set up payment methods. Configure payment methods such as ACH, checks, or virtual cards. Link your bank account for payment processing. Approval workflows. Establish approval workflows for bills and invoices to streamline the approval process. Define approvers and review processes based on your company's policies. Training and support. Train your team on how to use Bill.com effectively. Utilize Bill.com support resources, including tutorials, guides, and customer support for assistance during the setup process.